तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो। और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको स्क्रीन पे लेके चल रहा हूँ और आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे आपको इंडियन यंग प्रोफेशनल स्कीम वीज़ा के लिए अप्लाई करना है। और इन दिस स्टेज यू डोंट हैव टू पे अ सिंगल पेनी टू एनीवन एंड यू कैन डू इट विद इन 5 to 10 minutes बाय योरसेल्फ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर you subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any queries, any concern, please comment section is open and write down the comment. I will definitely reply in the comment section as soon as I can. In this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction how you have to apply for the Indian Young Professional Scheme visa. So let's start. Link in the description, so you can see the guidance for the Indian Young Professional Scheme visa ballot system. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the ballot is open because and is going to close 20 Feb of 2025 at 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So what you have to do, enter the ballot. You have to click over here, and once you will click, you can see there might be a queue. Seriously, more than an hour I have to wait. So you have to wait a little longer because many people would be applying from India, of course. So I will continue the video once I will ahead into the queue. Okay, so finally it's my turn. Now I will create the account, or if I already, because I already have the account, so I will sign in using the passport. So now once you will put your passport detail and security code, so I think I will use my email address because I don't have the access of my mobile phone. So I will check my email and put the security code and then continue. Okay, so finally I have done the sign in, and you can see start the application. I will do the start application, submit an expression of interest to India Young Professional Scheme Ballot. You can download your application once you have completed. So first section is identity and the contact. So I will click on that, and which email address you want to use the contact. So you can choose the different one if you don't have the access or you don't want to use the last email that you have used in the account creation. You can select on choose different. Otherwise, if you want to continue with the same email, you can click on that one. Just click on continue, submit an expression again. So the identity is complete. Now the preparation application, click on that. The second one, I am the ballot applicant, aged 18 or over. If you are the age under, you have to select that one, but if you are, you won't be eligible to submit an application if you are under age. And if your guardian or parent is applying on behalf of you, you can submit or click on this section. But I'm the applicant, and so that why I will click on that. Okay, so seems like second option is completed again. Now I will provide the evidence. Provide your evidence. So uploading your evidence, you can either scan or take a photo of the document. It must be clear and easy to read. Save it on your computer or device. File size should be under 6 MB. Provide your evidence as JPEG, JPG, PNG or PDF. Give a file name as for example passport April 2022. So you can name your document something like this. I will click on continue. So it will give you the option to upload evidence. Select your file from here. If you have taken the photographs, then you can click on photographs, and if you have PDF file, you can select the PDF file. Okay, so I've selected my passport here. I will click on upload. Once it is uploaded, it will give you the option. Okay, once it is uploaded, now you can see it is giving you two options. Either you can view the document or delete it and upload it once again. If you feel you have uploaded the correct document, then you can hit on continue button. Otherwise, you can upload the another file. In case if you are uploading two passport PNG or images like front and back of the passport images, then you can click on another add another file. Otherwise, you can continue click on continue if you feel or if you are satisfied with your document upload. So now your document has been uploaded. If you want to view it again, you can click on view, or otherwise if you are satisfied you can click on continue. Provide your document so I can confirm that it is the correct evidence. So you can see what happens next. To enter the ballot, we will ask you to confirm you understand requirement and the information you have provided is correct. So I will hit on continue. So you can see the first, second, third and the last option is remaining. Otherwise all the three options has been completed. Now I will submit the last option, which is fourth. So we need to provide the PCC as well, and these would be the documents. I must provide the evidence of that I have 2530 pound in my account, and I should have the qualification equal to bachelor's degree in order to be eligible for this role. Oh, sorry, for this visa. And you will also need to provide a passport that confirms your identity and nationality unless you receive a new passport between submitting your expression of interest and submitting your youth mobility scheme application. This passport should be the same as the one you are asked to upload as part of this expression of interest. So by selecting confirm and submit, I understand that I must provide all of these documents when I apply for the youth mobility scheme visa, and if I fail to do so, my application may be rejected or refused. So if you want to still correct something, you can save and return later. Otherwise you can hit on confirm and submit. So that's it. I think I am going to click on continue because I got the unique application number. That means my interest has been submitted in Indian young professional scheme visa. So what happens next? You will be contacted within 2 weeks of the ballot closing to inform you whether you have been successful in the ballot. If you are successful in securing a place in ballot, you can apply for a youth mobility visa or Indian young professional scheme visa. Do not apply for the visa if you do not have been if you have not been successful in the ballot. You will be granted the visa and your fee will not be refunded. So make sure you don't apply for the visa if you haven't got selection, and you will get notified by email. Make sure you keep checking your email after closing of the day, which is I think 20 of Feb, 2:30 p.m. So ballot is still open for 24 or 48 hours, so you don't need to rush. You can apply it within that during that time period. So hopefully you have got the idea how to apply. Within 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes you can apply for the ballot entry, but the thing is only you have to wait a little longer, like more than an hour, in order to reach the front of the queue. So that's it for the video. Take care and goodbye.